Now, battle between Barangay Aduas Sur versus Barangay Aduas Centro. Aduas Sur wearing the blue, gray and black jersey. Aduas Centro wearing green white jersey. Jump ball between Singh and jersey number 8. First possession goes to Team Aduas Sur. Angeles ang back-to-back champion na ang Aduas Sur, Jonas Angeles. Jersey number 8, 2 points. Santos pass to Pabian. 2. Santos denied. Rebound by Mariano, pass to Jonas Angeles. 2. Jersey number 8, stolen by jersey number 1. Santos letting the play. Pass 2. That a good rebound by jersey number 8. 2. Angeles. Angeles pass to Arisgado. Arisgado pass to, pero out of bounds. Basket and 1. Three-point play by C. Santos pass to in the corner, no good, rebound by Singh. 2 points, Singh. Napakalaki. Bodybuilder ng Barangay Aduas Centro. Arisgado, 2 points. Score 5-4. 1 point lead. Aduas Centro. Jersey number 1, perimeter shot, 2 point. Arisgado, 2 points. Binasag ang depensa. Jersey number 2, nakapos na ako ni Mariano. Pero, same ball. Mariano Baso Angeles tumira ng 3. Wala. Now ni Lamban. Arisgado drives. No good. Rebound by Mariano. Fixed. Mariano using the board. No good pa rin. Rebound by Singh. Napakalapad na bata naman ni Singh. Jersey number 4 pass to Santos. 2. Lamban, no good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Fouled. Jersey number 2. Pass to Lamban. Open 3. No good. Rebound by Singh. Singh bumps. Pass 2. Jersey number 2. Wala pa rin na ako ni. Oops. Out of bounds. Regala. Lamban again. Third attempt. No good. Rebound by Singh. Pero out of bounds. Scored 7-6 in favor of Barangay Aduat Centro. Angeles from the corner. 3 points. Yan, pass to Singh, babawi ng 3. Basket 3. Parang advanced server si Mr. Singh. Angeles pass to Mariano. Gandang footwork, 2 points. Mariano to Arriesgado fake. Lose the ball, Arriesgado, pero 3 seconds violation. Lamban. Back to Santos. Pabian. To Lamban ito. Short. Rebound by Mariana. Foul. Foul again. Arriesgado. Pass sa ilalim pero nakakuha ni Jonas Angeles. Short. Rebound by Mariano. Arriesgado fakes. A traveling violation. Santos. Binabantayan ni jersey number 37. Crisostomo pero rebound by Arriesgado. Arriesgado to Crisostomo. No good, rebound by Santos. 2 points. Santos pull up. No good. Rebound by Angeles. Ginugulo ni jersey number 24. Angeles drives. Basket. 2 points. Foul on jersey. Fabria for 3. No good. Rebound by Regala. 2 points. Score. Oh, supporters ng basketball, Rama do Sur. And nandiyan pa rin po ang mga supporters ng Pangatian para sumuporta sa laro dito sa ating Nueva Ecija Towns Basketball League. Regala Bastos Santos. Santos pa rin. Denied, pero nakakuha ni. From the corner, no good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Out of bounds. Shoutout po kay Sian Gonzalez. Watching from Baguio. Happy viewing po. 3-point. Francisco. Jersey number 27, no good. Bola ng Aduasur. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Angeles drives, pass 2. Wala, rebound by jersey number 27 to Santos. Now ni Ramos ang bola to Angeles. Easy 2 points, Angeles. Natividad. Fade away shot, pinasa kay Santos. Santos fakes. Checks the ball, Natividad ang bola. Knights Ek, nakakuha ni Ramos. Ramos pass to Francisco, back to Ramos. Yes! 2 point. Natividad short. Rebound by out of bounds. Mr. Singh nagbabalik sa ating court. Santos inbounds the ball to Angeles. Angeles for 3, no good. Rebound by Singh. Pass to Natividad. Natividad pa rin ibinigay kay Singh ang bola. Singh pass to Santos. Santos for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 27. Parungaw to Natividad. No good. Rebound by Angeles. Pass to Francisco. Francisco open 3, short. Rebound by Santos. Santos drives, fouled.
Rebound by Santos. Santos drives.
Penalty na po ang Barangay Aduas Sur. Ball on jersey number 6, the over powerful man. Over na, powerful pa. Angeles, pass to Ramos, back to Angeles, to Francisco. 2. Yes, 2 points. End of the first quarter. Score 12-24, leading Barangay Aduas Sur. The ball game. Bola ng Team Barangay Aduas Centro. Lamban pass to jersey number 82. To Fabria. Out of bounds. Turnover. Angeles to Agregado. Arisgado to De Los Santos. Denied. 3-1 by Lamban. Pass to jersey number 82. Being no good. Mariano to Arisgado. Pass to Angeles. Short. Out of bounds. One. Pass to Fabria, back to Lamban. Short. Rebound by Mariano. Mariano sumalaksak. 2 points. Mariano. Mariano is stolen the ball. Pass to Arisgado. Angeles. Back to Arisgado. Fakes. Arisgado drives. Pero binigay kay Angeles ang bola. Angeles fakes. 2. Santos. 2 points. Santos. Napakahaba. 2 points. Fabria pass to Parungaw. Parungaw ipinilit. Wala na rebound ni Mariano. Pass to Arisgado. Arisgado pa rin. Pass to Angeles. Angeles to Santos. Pass in the middle. No good. Rebound by Parungaw. Malubay pass to Fabria. To Lamban. To Malubay back to Lamban. Same ball. Malubay, no good. Rebound by Malubay pa rin. Running shot. No good. Rebound by C. 2 points. C. Angeles pass to Mariano. Mariano alley-oop lane. No good. Rebound by Lamban. Pass to Malubay. Fabria. Jonas Angeles, 3 points. Malubay. Pass to Fabria again. Fabria, no good. Ball goes to Team Aduas Sur. Angeles again, tumira ng 3. Basket 3. Lamban pass to Malubay. To Sing. Back to Malubay to Sing in the paint. Foul. Santos 3 points. Score 20-34. Lamang po ang team Aduasu. No good, pero na-rebound ni Santos ang bola. Santos pass to Crisostomo. No good. Rebound by Sig. Lamban pass to Barunga, pero na-check na ako ni Crisostomo. Pass to Arriesgado. Remaining time 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Lamban pass to Barunga. Open 3, too strong. Rebound by Arriesgado. Arriesgado running shot. No good. Rebound by Santos. Santos to Lamban. No good. Pass to Crisostomo. Crisostomo, 2 points. Santos, 2 points. What a nice move by Santos. Score 22-36. Leading Barangay Aduasur. Score. Angeles pass to Crisostomo, back to Crisostomo, 2 points. Abria tumira ng 3, short. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles pa rin. Tumira ng napakalayo, short. Rebound by De Los Santos. Angeles, pinasa kay Mariano. Pass to Santos. What a pass. Pero sablay na rebound ni Santos ang bola. Santos nagmamadali. Binigay kay Lamban. No good. Rebound by Santos to Fabria. 2 points. Fabria. 3 minutes remaining time. Santos pass to Angeles. Crisostomo. Pass to Santos. Long 2. No good. Rebound by Mariano. Pass to Angeles. Angeles fakes. Angeles for 3. No good. Rebound by Sing. Pass to Santos. Santos tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni Mariano. Pass to Crisostomo. To Santos. Back to Crisostomo. To Angeles. Pero out of bounds. Last 2 minutes in the second quarter. Sing 2 points. Scored 26-40. De Los Santos pass to Soria. Mariano, 2 points. Santos pass to Lamban. What a pass by Santos. 2 points, Lamban. Angeles kinaliwa. No good rebound by Fabria. Pass to Santos. Santos, 2 point. Mariano, sumalaksak. Ibinigay kay jersey number 8 pero wala na rebound ni Santos, 2 point. Technical foul on coach from Barangay Aduasur. Wala po sa roster ang jersey number 13 from Aduasur. Santos. Pass to Natividad to Lamban. Lamban naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Santos. Back to Lamban. To Santos. To Natividad. Drives to Lamban. Good. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos napakahaba. Coast to coast play by De Los Santos. Score 47-38. Lamang pa rin po ang Barangay Aduasur. Oh, wala. The rebound by Lamban. Pass to Santos to Natividad. Back to Santos. Fakes. Santos to Lamban. 3 seconds. Violation. Angeles, no good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Kabalan, wala pa rin na rebound ni Mariano. Found. Two shots for Mariano. First throw is good for Mariano. Last throw. Wala na rebound ni Singh. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles bombs. Offensive foul by Jonas Angeles. Natividad denied. Rebound by Francisco. Francisco is stolen by Lamban. Lamban pass to Singh. 2 points. Score 40-48. Walo na lang ang lamang ng team Barangay Aduasur. Short rebound by Lamban. Shoutout po sa ating cameraman, the highlight cameraman, JR Ibulan. Santos 3. 2 points by jersey number 50. Stolen by Mariano. 2 points. Score 52-43. Regala Bumangga. Pero na-check na naman. Nako ni Arriesgado, napakabilis. Arriesgado. 2 points. Reyes. Dribbling the ball. Reyes pass to Arriesgado. No good. Rebound by Angeles. No good pa rin. Rebound ni Santos ang bola. Oh, Santos with the crossover. Santos lose the ball is stolen by Reyes. Pass to Mariano. 2 points. Fabria. Pass to Lamban to Santos. Back to Lamban. Saves the ball na ako ni Regala. Regala to Lamban. Long 3 short. Rebound by Arriesgado. Arriesgado the flash. No good. Rebound by Regala. Pass to Santos. Santos pass to Sing. Sing in the paint. Basket and one.
Santos.
Grabe, si Muscleman, Sing, jersey number 20, number 6, with the muscle layup.
Basket.
Angeles for 3. Angeles, the sharp shooter, 3 points. Santos, pass to Regala, bumali pa, wala na ako ni Angeles. Pass to Reyes, sumubok, na malaki, 2 points. Regala to Santos, pass to Regala. Santos, perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Lamban. Lamban fade away shot. Wala pa rin nakakuha ni Angeles. Angeles with the freestyle moves. Meron na check. Nakakuha ni Santos. Pass to Regala. Denied by Santos. Santos pass to Angeles. Back to Santos. To Mariano. Wala. Nakakuha ni Lamban ng bola. Pass to Santos. To Lamban. Lamban open 3. Kapos. Nako ni. Boom. Bumangga. Napakalaki. Pero wala. Na-rebound ni Regala. To Lamban. No good. Rebound by Mariano. Pass to Arriesgado, 2 points. Santos with a pull-up jumper basket. The score 52-66 in favor of Barangay Aduasur. Arriesgado pass to Angeles. Wala na rebound ni Singh. Singh pass to Santos. Santos short. Rebound by Fabria. Back to Santos. 2 points. Two points by Ramos. Natividad from the corner, no good. Rebound by Malubay, pero na-check. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Team Barangay Aduasur. Remaining time in the third quarter, 1 minute and 13 seconds. Stolen by Malubay. Basket, 2 points. Arriesgado. Pass to Reyes. Offensive foul. Santos. Oh, Santos pull up one and shot. Basket. Santos. Last 30 seconds. Arriesgado. Arriesgado pa rin. Arriesgado pass to Reyes. Reyes. Yes! Hook shot by Reyes. Natividad pass to Fabria. The buzzer beater, pero wala. Score 58-70 in favor of Barangay Aduasur. Ayan po ang mga supporters ng ating panliga. And we are now entering the fourth quarter. Santos pass to Malubay, back to Santos to Malubay. Pass to Singh. Natividad in the middle, fouled. First throw is good by Natividad. Second throw, no good, rebound by Angeles. Angeles pass to Francisco, back to Angeles to Francisco for 3. Yes, 3 points. Francisco. Wala na rebound D. Fabria ang bola. Out of bounds. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Pass to Crisostomo. Nakakuha ni Malubay ang bola. Stolen by Crisostomo. Pass to Angeles. No good. Rebound by Fabria. Pass to Santos. Open 3. Wala. Rebound by Ramos. Pass to Francisco. To Angeles. Yung nasa kay De Los Santos. Same ball. Natividad. Pass to Santos. 2. Fabria tumira ng 3. Kapos na ako ni Malubay. 2 points. Angeles. Nagbababa ng bola. Angeles pa rin. Pass to Ramos. Back to Angeles. Angeles 3 points. Santos 3. Nagpapaulan na sila ng mga tres. Pin nasa kay Francisco pero na-check. De Los Santos with a pull-up. 2 points. Na-check na steal ni Ramos. Basket. 2 points. Sting. Pass to Santos. 2. Wow, binali pa ni Natividad. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Pass to Angeles. Angeles sumalaksak. Kinaliwa. Pero wala. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos again. Fouled. Fabria fakes. Fabria pa rin ibinigay kay Lamban. Foul. Lamban, first throw. Pasok. Second throw for Lamban. 2 for 2. Score 68-80. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Angeles pass to De Los Santos. What a pass by Jonas Angeles. Lamban in the corner, 3 points. Line violation. Ding tumira ng Dres. Wala, nakuha ni Ramos.
Last 5 minutes, 32 seconds.
Pass to Angeles. To De Los Santos pero na-check na ako ni Malubay. Pass to Sing to Santos. 2 points. Jersey number 27, pass to Malubay. Malubay to Santos. 3 points, man. Santos. His score. Back to the ball game. Score 76-82. 6-point lead. Team Barangay do Sur. Mariano paso arriesgado. Foul.
Manubal.
Oras po natin ay 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Mariano inbounding the ball, pass to Reyes. To Mariano nagdangka, no good. Rebound by Reyes to Arriscado. Wala pa rin, nako ni Santos. Foul. Second throw. Second throw is good. Santos 3. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng Team Barangay Adua Sur. Arriesgado tumira ng 3. Wala. Reyes. Lumibat pero kabalan Bastos Mariano tumira ng 3. Mariano 3 ang hindi inaasahang score. Santos tumira ng 3. Basket 3 points. And Arriesgado sumalaksak. Denied. Table. Mariano 2 point. Santos binabantayan ni Arriesgado. Santos pero na-check na ako ni Mariano basket 2 points. Score 82-90. Reyes wala na rebound ni Santos. Pass to Malubay to Lamban for 3. Lamban 3 points. Ang mga tres na yun ay nagbibigay ng tsansa para sa Barangay Adua Sentro. Napakatibay talaga ng kamay ni Lamban. Reyes pass to Mariano wala. Last 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Santos pass to Singh. Singh to Malubay, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Mariano. Mariano pass to Arriesgado using the board. No good. Reyes, easy basket. 2 points. Santos pass to Olores in the paint. 2 points. Reyes pa rin. Pass to Mariano, 2 points. Lamban wala pa rin nakakuha ni Arriesgado. Pass to Mariano, no good. Rebound by Singh. Pass to stolen by Arriesgado. Arriesgado pa rin. Pass to Reyes in the corner pero sumalaksak. Reyes 2 points. Santos 2 points. Last 1 minute. Mariano pass to Reyes to Arriesgado. Ginugulo ni Malubay. Arriesgado spins. Pero wala. Nakakuha ni Singh. Stolen by Reyes foul. Hindi kinaya. Tigas ni Mr. C. Mariano the Knights. Same ball, last 20. Arriesgado.
Game ball.
Last 16 seconds. Mariano. Out of bounds, same ball, 13 seconds. Stolen by Malubay. Malubay, 2 points, 5 seconds. End of the ball game. Final score 91-96. Game winner, Barangay Basura, and our best player of the game, wearing jersey number 26, De Los Santos.